What does that remind you of? A choke? Surely. But I'm going to show you how to do a cool sweep, gi or no gi, with this position. Cross underhook, frame, trap, sweep. Let's put that in perspective. Partner is here with me. What do I want? I open his legs. Start over again. So I open his arms. You ready? Can I start again?
Yeah.
Let me start from the beginning. Okay. Ready?
Keep rolling, don't cut. And sweep. Action.
All right, guys. What does this remind you of? Yeah, 9 out of 10, you're going to say a choke. I'm going to tell you what. I'm going to use this frame here, this control, for a sweep. Gi or no gi. Let's take a look. So when I'm here right now, creating stability, the guys try to move a little bit. I control the wrist. I keep bumping. See that? And here I control the arm that I want. Look. Thumb behind his shoulder. Put your arm back. Yeah, you see how I can control? Elbow and elbow and frame. Now here I cup the shoulder. All right? Move towards the guy. Move away. Do you see here what I'm doing? I kick that leg through and use that frame as a shoulder control. And here what I want is hook this leg because he can turn. Try to turn. He can turn. And I go the hook. Hook the guy. You don't want to mount and let the guy trap you. You want to be here. Okay? Let's do it. Uno más. Spread it out. Okay, over here. Control the arm. Move your body. Bump. Get your thumb under. Elbow so you can get there. Move back and forth. Back and forth. Stiff that leg. And either leg you can hook. You can hook the middle leg too. Okay? Control. Roll, 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 roll. Try to put me in the half guard. See here how that hook kind of holds the guy down a little bit? Because you can always add a second hook and here go to a new belly. Okay?